St. Louis, did you know that you can count on Cantor? Today we are talking about summertime fun and how you can get on out and enjoy the sunshine, plus homeowners insurance coverage. This next Ask the Legal Expert segment has been sponsored by Cantor Injury Law. And joining me this afternoon is senior partner and founder of the firm, we have Mark Cantor. Mark, thank you so much for joining me today.
Thanks for having me. And before we start, I wanted to give a special shout out to my father, Dr. Harvey Cantor. He turned 87. So happy birthday, Dad.
Happy birthday, Doc. I appreciate you for doing that. 87, that's a good long life. Keep it up, keep it up. Well, thank you so much for joining me. And I hope your dad has a wonderful birthday. And we're going to talk a little bit about getting on out, enjoying the sunshine, water accidents, boats, jet skis. These are some things that we need to be more cognizant of now that people are getting out and enjoying water sports in the heat.
That's right. Those are all the fun things that I enjoy. You know, who doesn't love a boat or a jet ski or a swimming pool? But landowners have a duty of care, the highest duty of care. So be reasonable, be safe, you know, protect your people that are visiting. You know, your pool shouldn't have any dangerous hidden conditions of property. If you're on a boat, that's a different standard, but it's like driving an automobile. So, you know, very, very careful. There's no brakes on a boat. You can't stop, you know, let's be slow out there.
Highest degree of care, that is what we're focusing on. When we talk about homeowners, that includes a lot of things, not just the pools, but the trampolines, if you have kids, the pets, the ATVs, other things that people like to get on out and enjoy right here in Missouri that can, yes, cause a problem if not taken care with the highest degree of.
Yeah, I agree. So, you know, that's what your homeowner's insurance is there for. So your automobile, you know, protects you in your auto. Your homeowner's insurance may provide coverage for your ATV, for your jet ski. You should get an umbrella, and you should operate those things with the highest degree of care. That degree of care that a very careful person uses under the same or similar circumstance. That's the jury instruction in Missouri, and we try these cases all the time. So be very careful.
Okay, be careful. I'm taking all of that, soaking it up. Just 2 words, be careful. Some of those things that we just talked about, pets, ATVs, you can find that at Cantorland. Tell me a little bit more about that retreat center that you have for some of your clients.
Well, you know, people, if you watch TV now, all you see is lawyers advertising. And we have a retreat center called Cantorland. So people may not like lawyers, but I love Missouri, and I think the people of Missouri love Missouri. We have horses, we have goats, we have chickens, we have 5 dogs. You know, it's just a wonderful place. We have a tree house, we have a shooting range, a tactical shooting range, you know, archery, all the things that Missourians love, and we do those carefully. So you can have fun, but do it carefully. You know, we have a lake, swim, but swim carefully. And if you've got little ones, you know, have life jackets and keep an eye on them, and don't mix your drinking with those pleasures. All these terrible, horrific accidents that I see usually involve some form of alcohol or drugs. My son, Zachary, is a water ski instructor at Camp Sabra at the Lake of the Ozarks. You know, they train them. They put them through boating safety. You know, let's be careful. Let's use that degree of care that a very careful person uses.
Well, I love that you are an attorney that practices what he preaches. Not only is he encouraging you to use that highest degree of care, but he's also doing it at his own property that he opens up to clients to come on out as a retreat center at Cantorland. And if you are looking for a personal injury attorney, or you just want to go ahead and lock his number in, you might not know when you'll need him. It is Cantor Injury Law, and he and his team are absolutely taking care of you with that same highest degree of care he's encouraging you to use. All you have to do is head online to his website at cantorinjurylaw.com. Give him a follow on Facebook and on Instagram at Cantor Injury Law. And if you're interested in learning more about his retreat center that is offered to his clients, we'll make sure you have access to those details as well. But you can give him a follow at CI Cantorland. All of that will be online on our website, studiostl.tv.
That's right.
Thank you so much for joining me.
You can count on Cantor.
You can count on Cantor.
And I love the haircut.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
It's very fresh.
Thank you, thank you. Don't go anywhere. St. Louis will be back in a jiffy.